Hey there, let's talk about Original Medicare and how you can find doctors that take it. Okay, so first of all, let's kind of go over Original Medicare really quick. What is it? Part A is in Apple is going to be your hospital insurance. Part B, as in boy, is going to be your medical insurance. That makes up Original Medicare, okay? When do you get onto Original Medicare? You will either get onto Original Medicare during your IEP, or also known as your initial enrollment period, and that is 3 months before your birth month, and then 3 months after your birth month. So it's a 7-month period. Or when you're coming off of your group insurance and you're going to be new to Part B. So how do you defer it? Because I want to cover a few things in here. How do you defer it? If you're going to be staying on your group insurance or your spouse's group insurance, it is going to be, you can delay it, but you have to have 20 or more employees in that company to make it count as credible coverage. So now you have your Part A and your Part B, and you have Original Medicare, and you're looking to see, you can either pair it up with a Medicare supplement, and that's what we're kind of just talking about, who takes Original Medicare. Because even though you have a Medicare supplement, also known as a Medigap, when you call the doctors, you're going to ask them, do you take Original Medicare? So how do you find out who takes Original Medicare? Different hospitals, different doctors, specialists, all of that kind of stuff. Well, if you go on to Medicare.gov, and I encourage everybody to have an account on Medicare.gov, whether you're just on Original Medicare with a Medicare supplement, also known as a Medigap, and also if you're on a Medicare Advantage plan, also known as a Part C. And the reason why is because there's so many things on a Medicare.gov that you can find. Number one, if you're on Original Medicare, there's actually a feature on there. If you go up to the search bar and you put in referrals, you can come up with a link and put in the zip code. Maybe you're traveling and you need to find a doctor. You can put in the zip code of where you are, and then there's a drop-down menu. It will ask you if you're looking for a doctor or a clinic, if you're looking for an emergency room, a psychologist, all kinds of stuff. There's a whole list of things. And you can click on whatever one you're looking for, and it will bring up a whole list of doctors that take Original Medicare. There are a percentage out there. It's a very small percent, but there are some out there that do not take a Medicare. So you have to make sure, because I don't want you, going somewhere and being like, okay, I'm going to go see, Dr. Jones, and find out after you've seen them or you've traveled there or whatever that they don't take Original Medicare. So always confirm that they take Original Medicare. So Medicare.gov is a great option. It's also a great option for anybody who is on a Medicare Advantage plan, because also, and your Part D is in dog, your prescription drug plan, because it will list your medications that you've purchased, what plans you're on. You can get copies of your Medicare card if you need it. So there's a lot of great options on there. All right. So anyways, I wanted to talk about that because I actually had somebody call me yesterday and they were like, I don't know who to go see. So I showed them how to use that. They were out of town, and obviously, they were somewhere else and their doctor couldn't give them a referral. So I showed them how to use Medicare.gov to find a doctor. They found, a doctor, got themselves fixed up, and went on with their vacation. So it's really important to know these kind of tools, because maybe we don't need them at home, but when we're out and about and in an area where our doctors are, we don't know anybody, we can get that referral that we need, or that recommendation. I don't want to use a referral because people freak out. All right, have a great day.